Hey, I'm Caleb with Woodshop, and today I've got a really easy project for you. Some really simple children's toys. This is a great project if you have some scrap wood around your shop that you want to get rid of but just can't find a project for it. Let's check it out. Well, hey, I'm Caleb with Woodshop. Aromatic red cedar, very fancy bedroom stand. Woodshop cheer. For your dead burn eye protection. Okay, so this is going to be a fantastic project if you have a lot of scrap wood laying around your shop. Just shoot straight with me. If you've done any woodworking, I know you have scraps in your shop. Okay? Don't act like you don't. To start it off, I'm going to just start drawing some shapes on some of these different scrap boards that I've got laying around. Elephant out of book. And so I'm just going to keep drawing all these different shapes, and then I'll get around to cutting them out on the bandsaw. Now I could go ahead and start sanding everything. And on the cat head, I drilled a hole in the middle of it and then cut out some cedar replicas and just trace around it. And I put some little washers inside of it so I could glue it up and I'll have a little wrap. On this elephant, where I drilled a hole, I've also drilled a hole through the hole. And I put some little wooden beads on there, and I'll glue that in so it'll have some fun little spinny things on there. These. And look at the rattle. It's neat. I'm going to finish them with mineral oil. I do personally believe that if you wanted to, you could put spray lacquer on these. Seeing as how my son is at the age where he wants to kind of put everything in his mouth, I'm just going to put mineral oil on here. It's a rattle. Yeah, it's a rattle. So he had an elephant too, and did we leave that at Nan's house? Did we leave it at Nan's house? Did we leave it at Nan's house? Yeah. This is a great project. It's a fun project that you could get done really quickly. And as I said, it's great for getting rid of some scraps that you just can't really use. If you don't have a child of your own, maybe it would be a great gift for family or friends that have kids, or you can make them and donate them to some kids that would really enjoy these. So if you like this video and you like this project, give it a thumbs up. Also be sure and subscribe to this channel because I post new woodworking projects every Friday. Click the notification bell so you do not miss a video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next week.